EngineerBabu presents Transforming Digital Training Platform. At the heart of Deviare mission is Baxolile Mabinya, co-founder and director, a visionary leader championing Africa's digital future through accessible, impactful learning. Deviare core offering, skills transformation, was being hindered by a complex and rigid platform. Learners found the system difficult to use. Admins and client leads struggled with merged access layers, leading to inefficiencies. Reporting was stalled for months due to fragmented data exchange with Simplilearn. Resellers and enterprise clients lacked autonomy and timely insights, which limited Deviare's ability to scale impact across multiple projects and regions. EngineerBabu stepped in to align Deviare's digital infrastructure with its business vision. We designed a lean, intuitive user experience and separated admin and user workflows. Role-based dashboards, automated onboarding, and project-based license management brought order to complexity. Our reporting engine, powered by seamless SSO integration and automated data fetch, empowered clients and resellers with real-time visibility, all backed by scalable, white-labeled infrastructure. Welcome to the Deviare platform demo. In this video, we'll walk through the platform from the lens of three key personas. 1. Super admin. 2. Customer admin. Third, customer user. As a super admin, I manage the onboarding process for new organizations. This includes creating the organization account, setting up projects, and assigning the initial licenses. I start by logging in, navigating to the customer section and clicking Create Customer. Next, I create a project by entering the project name, company details, and admin contact and description. I then assign licenses for assessments, courses, experiments, and deployments. Optionally, I can allocate initial users either individually or through bulk import. Once setup is complete, the customer admin takes charge. This person is responsible for managing the organization's internal environment on Deviare. After logging in, the customer admin can 1. Add users individually or in bulk. 2. View and update projects. 3rd, monitor user assignments, course status, and license usage. The customer user is an employee who accesses Deviare to learn and grow. They are onboarded by their organization and given access to specific learning resources. Once logged in, users can 1. View their registered courses. 2. Browse the course catalog tree. Request access to new courses. 4. Launch courses which open on the Simplilearn platform for a seamless learning experience. The transformation delivered measurable results, an 85% learner completion rate, over 10,000 users onboarded, with 99.9% uptime. Hear from Baxolile Mabinya on how this transformation is enabling Deviare to build digital economies across Africa.
I am co-founder and director at Deviare. We're extremely proud to have worked with EngineerBabu over the last 12 months or so. This has enabled us to achieve some of our business objectives and also has really helped us to strengthen our own value proposition in the market. Working with Anchal and her team was an absolute pleasure for us, and we were quite demanding of them, and I have been very impressed at how they've responded. Our confidence in EngineerBabu grew dramatically. There's a lot that we've achieved in a very short period of time, and as Deviare, we would really recommend EngineerBabu's development services to any other company and entity across the world that requires services that really deliver meaningful business outcomes. Thank you.
Ready to scale your edtech vision? Let's build your success story together.